Kicked off this morning with some flurries and temperatures into the upper 20s and lower 30s out there, and highs today struggled to make it up to near 40 degrees. We're sitting at 38 right now in Milwaukee. We still got that northwesterly wind at 15 miles per hour. So here we go. Gusty winds upwards of 30 miles per hour. Still going to be possible for tonight. Temperatures into the lower 30s right now, but later on tonight they'll be falling down into the 20s. By tomorrow morning, we're still getting winds gusting from about 30 to 35 miles per hour. So that's going to make it feel like it's into the teens by tomorrow morning. Here we are at 6:15. It'll feel like 16 degrees in Milwaukee. And although highs will be into the 50s for tomorrow, by the afternoon hours, it's only going to feel like it's in the upper 30s and lower 40s. So we got another chilly day for tomorrow, although we're going to be warming up into the 50s, but there is some light at the end of the tunnel. That heads our way for Wednesday as we get some 60s into the forecast, and really not too bad for Election Day. Sunny, a high of 57, overnight lows well above that freezing mark into the 40s, and more 60s towards the end of the week. We'll be right back.